Place baking soda in your intimate part. Look what happens. How to remove hair naturally? We must be consistent with alternative hair removal techniques to get good results. Unwanted hair can vary in amount and thickness from woman to woman, but, regardless of that, most agree on wanting to eliminate it. Currently there are different techniques to eliminate unwanted hair and achieve a soft and beautiful skin. However, many of these techniques are painful and often quite costly. Luckily, there are some natural ingredients that facilitate hair removal without causing skin irritation and with the ease of being able to do it at home without costing much money. This treatment to remove hair naturally should be done every night before going to sleep and should be done often to get good results. What should you do? 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of boiling water, mix well and let it cool. 2. Soak a piece of cotton or gauze in the solution and then apply it on areas of unwanted hair. 3. The next morning, after removing the dressing, be sure to apply enough moisturizer to prevent dryness in the area. 4. After 2 or 3 days of application you will start to notice the results. Now I will give you a homemade trick so that your intimate part does not smell. I'm talking about yogurt. Yogurt can help you get rid of unpleasant vaginal odor. It is naturally rich in lactobacilli, these healthy bacteria that not only free the stomach of any infection, but also reduce fungal infection in the vagina. Instructions: 1. Take half a cup of yogurt. 2. Dip a cotton pad into the yogurt and scrub it well. 3. Now remove the cotton from the yogurt and apply it gently on the vagina. 4. Let it act for some time, wash with water and dry. 5. Repeat this procedure 3 or 4 times a day. The results are astounding. I